Today we are at the Norway Pavilion in Epcot to take a look inside the Frozen Ever After ride. But let me start by saying that in 2025, Epcot went through a lot of changes, lots of refreshing and reimagining. Spaceship Earth closed down to have a mild refresh, like a routine maintenance. Some animatronics seem to be moving more smoothly, some have said. I don't ride it often enough to notice the changes, but good job, Disney, for keeping up with your older rides. Also, Test Track was completely reimagined for the third time, or fourth, depending how you want to see it, reopening its doors back on July 22, 2025. Back behind the France Pavilion, Remy's Ratatouille Adventure ride closed from November 10th to the 13th to turn it into a 2D ride, so now we don't have to wear the 3D glasses anymore. That being said, in early 2026, this ride, Frozen Ever After, will be closing its doors for a refresh as well. If you haven't seen this animatronics with light-up faces, they can really weird you out. You can see a projection being played on their faces only, making it look like a white circle. That is what is going to be updated for the best. So the attraction is also scheduled for a temporary refurbishment starting January 26, 2026 to upgrade audio animatronics figures, and is expected to reopen in February 2026, but an exact date has not been announced yet. Let's enjoy what will soon become the outdated version, the back-in-the-day version, of Frozen Ever After at Epcot. Please don't forget to take a second to like and subscribe to follow up on my adventures. 2026 has a lot to promise.
Karaoke here! Happy summer snow day! From me to you!
I do it, but Dad did it. Understand?
Let it go! Let it go! You'll never see me cry! You little...
It's crazy when you go on the line and you miss all the stuff.
Oh! Ah!
In the clock. You see the... It looks like... You see the big hand, the minute hand?
Oh, it's leaving for the North Mountain!
Would that be a hit maker?
Yes. A su seguridad, mantenga las manos y brazos y sus piernas dentro del bote. Las suyas. act of true love and thaw a frozen heart.
Winter's a good time to stay in and cuddle up for me and summer and happier. Happy snowman? Exactly.
As usual, I hope you all enjoy this video. Please don't forget to take a moment to like and subscribe. Those that are coming back, thank you for your support. And to everyone, Happy New Year!